Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to write SEO friendly blog post title, right? As you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we have an option of post. I have simply moved my cursor on post, and here when we move the cursor on the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us, which is having option of creating a new post, which is add post. And by clicking on the all post, we can see our existing posts that are either published or draft or trashed or scheduled or whatever, right? So here we are going to create a new post, so we are going to click on add post, and here it is asking us about the title of our blog post, right? So most of the time, students commit some mistake that they simply write whatever the blog post title is coming in their mind, right? And I would not suggest them to write that particular title which is coming in their mind, because it is not you can say possible that people are also searching for the same kind of title, and due to which their blog post would not rank on Google search engine for the high search volume keywords, and they are eventually not going to get good traffic from the search engine. So in spite, they should do the keyword research using Google Ads keyword planner and then plan for the blog post title. How I create post title, I'm going to tell you. So here, for example, I just want to write a title related to pizza recipe, right? So might be if I am a student, I can simply write pizza recipe, or I can type I cooked pizza today. So this is not going to help me out, because if I search for the search volume of this phrase on my keyword planner, let me open the Google Ads keyword planner in new tab. So I am simply entering the URL ads.google.com, right? We have created dedicated videos on Google Ads, right? So you can watch those videos by visiting our YouTube channel and checking out the playlist of Google Ads. Might be you will not be able to log in into Google Ads as I have logged in, because here you need to take the access of Google Ads platform first, then only you can log in into Google Ads, right? So for that particular reason, I have created Google Ads playlist also, right? If you face issues in logging into Google Ads directly, then kindly watch those videos. So here we are going to the tools and then planning section available in the left side of the Google Ads dashboard. And here when we move our cursor to the tools, and then automatically a sub menu appears over here where we need to find the planning option, and we need to click on it. And there is a sub menu where there is an option of keyword planner in the planning section, right? I'm going to click on this, and here there is a option of discover new keywords. I'm going to click over here, right? And let me paste the keyword which I decided to keep as a blog post title. I cooked pizza today, and I'm going to type this over here. Okay, I have typed, and now I will click on enter, and here we can change the location to worldwide, right? Because this title is somewhat which people searches worldwide, right? So I have kept the location to all location, and now I am going to click on get results. And as you can see, the average monthly search volume of this keyword is 0 to 10. Like nobody is searching for this kind of keyword, and if I kept this keyword or phrase as my blog post title, then my blog post title might rank on search engine, because might be no one have already written any article on this, but my blog post is not going to get good traffic, because nobody is searching for it simply, right? So for this I need to do the keyword research. So I am adding one more keyword over here in the Google Ads keyword planner, pizza recipe, and click on get results. And as you can see, the pizza recipe keyword is searched for 10,000 to 1 lakh times as an average monthly searches, right? So opting for this keyword is much better than going for that keyword, because this keyword have high search volume, and if my blog post started ranking for this keyword, then automatically I'm going to get good traffic on my website, right, through that blog post. But it's not easier to rank for this keyword, let me tell you, because this keyword have a good search volume. So all food bloggers are behind this keyword. Each and every food related website is behind this keyword. They want to rank for this keyword. So the competition on this keyword would be much higher in comparison to that keyword, right? So like now in this case what we can do is like we can simply open a new tab and take the help of Google itself, right? So here I'm just typing how to make pizza, right? And let me tell you that whenever we start searching for any keyword on Google search engine, then automatically it shows a list of those keywords or phrases related to whatever we are searching, right? It automatically shows us the suggestions, right, in the drop down. As you can see, people also searches for how to make pizza at home, how to make pizza base, how to make pizza sauce at home, how to make pizza base at home, right, how to make pizza at home without oven. And the good thing is that Google shows the phrases in descending manner as per the search volume, because Google don't want their users to move their fingers more up or down, right? So this is the reason this shows those keywords on the top which is having high search volume, right? So we can take help of this, right? As I have typed the how to make pizza, so it is suggesting me how to make pizza at home on the top. So I'm going to take it. So I'm going to type at home more, right, and automatically it is suggesting me how to make pizza at home without oven, right? So I'm going to take this suggestion as well, and again I am going to click on space in the keyboard, and it is suggesting me how to make pizza at home without oven, and yeast and cheese with ready-made pizza base. Now the things can might be changed, right? Because might be you're preparing pizza using the yeast or cheese or ready-made pizza base, right? So here I'm going to take this one with ready-made pizza base, right? Now I'm going to copy this whole sentence and going back to the Google Ads keyword planner, and here in the keyword search I'm going to paste this keyword as well as the short tail keywords of this keyword, right? As the long tail keyword is how to make pizza at home without oven with ready-made pizza base, so I have added this keyword. Now I am going to add how to make pizza at home without oven, and then how to make pizza, right, at home, and now how to make pizza only. Okay, and now how to make pizza without oven, right, how to make pizza at home with ready-made pizza base. Okay, now I'm going to click on get results, and here if we talk about how to make pizza at home without oven with ready-made pizza base is a keyword having 0 to 10 to 100 average monthly searches. It means that it is far better than how I cook pizza today, right? Also, no matters that it is having lesser search volume, because like other food related websites are not going behind it because it have lesser search volume, right? And we are going to go behind this and we are going to try to rank for this keyword because this keyword have this keyword itself, right? So there are chances later we will rank for how to make pizza at home without oven as well, because this keyword is having average monthly searches of 1000 to 10,000, whereas how to make pizza at home without oven with ready-made pizza base is having 10 to 100, right, search volume. So how to make pizza at home without oven is itself included in the how to make pizza at home without oven with ready-made pizza base, right? So we might rank for both the keywords as well as we can rank for the how to make pizza at home because it is also included in our long tail keywords and is having good traffic of 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches, right? And how to make pizza is also having 10,000 to 100,000 average monthly searches, and this keyword is also in our long tail keyword, right? So in this way you can see there are too many short tail keywords which are present in our long tail keywords and are having good search volume. Average search monthly searches are good. So this is the nice and best title for our article which I have created, right? So I will simply type this long tail title as my blog post title, right? So I have simply typed this right as my blog post title. And if you want to like shorten the title, then also you can go for the shorter one as well. You can remove this with ready-made pizza base, but I would not suggest you to do so, right? If you have created a new website, you are a beginner and your domain authority and page authority is not much good, then you can go for this one, right? And eventually you will start getting the traffic on your website. So this is how you can create a SEO friendly blog post title on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about this topic in detail, then I have also mentioned my blog post link in the video description which you can check out and read, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in the video description which you can check out. You can explore our course and then you can directly purchase the course from our website. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.